Wow, this has been a pretty unusual project. Obviously, you can see that this was a home under remodel, and so the homeowner had us come through and pull all the thin set up, and I realized everybody's like, well, how come I see all this white stuff down there? Well, that's the leftover thin set. In the low spots, somebody had come in here previously with jackhammers and jackhammered the old tile off, and then came back through here and put the tile down. So if you actually put your hands down here, this is actually smooth all the way across here. It's not like it's lumpy. And then, of course, you probably noticed that we used our DustRam to break this concrete free through here. The customer is going to be moving the plumbing lines and the water lines around here. And you notice that we were able to pull that out pretty much dust free.
When you go into a house and you have furniture and everything? Yeah.
Come through here now, you can obviously see we came through here and took all somebody had stained this concrete, so we took it off so the customer can put tile down. It'll bond really well. Same thing in here. In this toilet area, the plumbers put the toilet in the wrong place before, and it was off center, so we channeled out a hole so that can be moved over. This drain here is actually going to be lowered to almost level with the concrete. The customer is wanting to make like a zero clearance drain, so this actually will not have a concrete curb or even a typical pan that goes in here. It'll all be kind of a walk through with no shower curtain. So you probably can see how clean that we've left it. We went through and we even vacuumed up stuff that the customer had already kind of made some dust, but we went through and cleaned that all up. So what do you have to say about this?
Great job. The guys at Arizona Home Floors just do a great job at this every time. They're the best.
Well, thank you. I'll give you your $100 later, and you. This is Joe Pesky. We actually.
No, he's not.
Yes, it is. He was on My Cousin Vinny.
Casino and others.
Yeah. Can I have your autograph, please?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm very picky, and you guys did a great job. And I'm actually impressed, and I'm not very easily impressed. So.
Well, thank you very much.
Did a great job.
Appreciate it.